Hey everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel. And in this video we are going to be making some Neapolitan chocolate chip cookies. And what we'll need is one recipe of chocolate chip cookies, some red and blue food coloring, and some cookie sheets, and a cookie scooper, and three different bowls. And then 2 spoons to make some of the food colorings. So what we will need to do is we need to put about 1/3 of the cookie dough in one bowl, 1/3 in another bowl, and then we will leave the other third in this bowl. And what we need to do is we need to dye one red and the other one blue, and then leave the other one white. And you can really use this recipe for any sort of holiday that you wish to use it for. And then we're going to mix that up. And once that is done, it should look something like this. Then we're going to take a little bit of each color and kind of smush it together into one. And if you want to, you can kind of use the cookie scooper to help you with that. And kind of form it into balls. And then place onto the cookie sheet. And then let's do this one again. And there's that. And then with the cookies, you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of space between the cookie and the edge, and in between each cookie, kind of like this. And then you're going to bake that in the preheated oven for how hot the recipe says to have the oven at, and for however long the recipe says to have them in the oven for. The cookies are all done, and it should look something like this.